Hi Cookie Peeps, it's Tracy from Sugar Bees. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I roll my cookie dough. This is the way I used to do it. A lot of cookiers do it this way as well because you don't have to add extra flour to your surface or to your cookie dough to roll it out, which adds more dry ingredient and therefore makes your cookie dough drier. I just have to keep lifting the cling wrap so I don't tear it while I'm rolling. And as you can see, I have to keep stopping what I'm doing and lift the cling wrap so that I can roll again. And lift the cling wrap, which clings to itself, and then you have to uncling it. And, it can be a very tedious, time-consuming task. So I switched to a new way of doing it. Now I just take a piece of cling wrap and I actually roll it around my rolling pin. I kind of do it so it's tight, get it wrapped onto it, clinging to itself here, and then just rip it off the roll. Now I can begin rolling my cookie dough and I don't have to keep lifting the parchment, or correction, I don't have to keep lifting the cling wrap up off of the dough. I just roll and I don't have to unwrap my rolling pin until I'm done rolling for the day. And you still get a really even rollout of your cookie dough and you get to cutting much faster. Here you see, nice even cookie.